tired.
I can't help myself when you're not around. You're all that I think about. It's not a waste of time when we take our time. Stay under the covers, yeah. I will say keep a good thing going, a good thing's going right. Sing, don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah, yeah. Sinking in your skin, got me falling in. Do you feel it? 'Cause I feel it, yeah. Swimming in your ocean, living for this moment. Call me and you're reeling me in. I would say keep a good thing going, a good thing's going right. Sing, don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah.
Hey, love on the bad boy, careful what you wish for. Walking out the door, baby, kiss me till the lips sore. I'm not sure who I miss more. Miss Goody two shoes or miss. One make love, one's a grape. We always break up just to make up. One don't get high, she just break up. I dream they both mine, but then I wake up. Hey, got something good, you always want something better. Try to slow down, but the pace won't let up. Baby, give me time, I can't promise you forever, but as long as we're together, I'm yours.
Don't you think it's strange what's going on? Everything's changed, but I'm holding on. Stay with me, can't wait another day. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah. Don't let the sun come up too soon, yeah, yeah. Let the sun come up too soon.
Swayze, we did it again, baby.
I just feel like this is the vibe where it's like, yes, like go, kick on stage, go outside. Hi. Ralph is blind.
First thrift store. Fun fact actually, at this specific thrift store is
Okay, so I'm so excited because my dining table that I've been waiting for came in this morning. So I am gonna attempt to put it together before lunch, and today's just really chill. Once I put this table together, I am going to buy some tarp poles for a tent that I ordered, which is also coming in today because I want to start using it for the beach and for camping, which is a hobby that I've been doing a ton of research on and hoping to just slowly get supplies for this summer. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna set up this table. I'm watching Dustin Vaughn's vlog. Him and Benji Plant when I just want something really relaxing, vlog that is not too overstimulating, but still just, I don't know, just chill vibes. I would recommend these YouTubers. So
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. I still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What shall we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight?
hello everyone, I am back from my shopping trip, and wow, did I break a sweat. It is so warm outside. I'm gonna turn on the AC, get some cool air in here. So I'm sorry if you hear the AC noise in the background, but I'm just gonna have it on because it's a little too warm to keep it off. I got a bunch of camping gear, some from the grocery store and some from the local outdoor sporting goods store, and then one box from Amazon. So thought it'd be fun to do another unboxing on here, so let's do it. So first on Amazon, oh wait, I need scissors. Okay, let's start with this Amazon one. This is actually unrelated to camping, but I got this penguin crush game because I'm gonna have a couple of friends over for dinner. I thought it'd be fun if there was some sort of board game, interactive game situation. So yeah, I remember playing this in college in the States, and I found one here, and it's so cute, and it's in Japanese, but the concept is the same. You just compete to try to get as many ice cubes out as possible without letting the penguin guy fall through. And then in here I have my tarp, and I was looking specifically for something that was pretty portable. So this is from the brand To Mount, and there's different ways you can set up the tarp. Yesterday I was watching a little REI tutorial on how to do this A style setup, and it looks, I'm gonna say it looks fairly easy. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. Okay, cool. So it has the tarp, and here is a small little pouch, and this has the cables and the hooks. So this will loop through the little hole here and stick these into the sand, or if you're in the woods, into the dirt. And then here are the cables. So yeah, I've never done anything like this before, at least on my own. So tomorrow should be fun. Might be challenging, but should be fun. I realized when I ordered this yesterday that I didn't order poles, like tent tarp poles. So I went to the local outdoor shop, and I got two 180 centimeter tent poles. I bought two just in case. I think if I'm gonna do the A style frame, I could survive with just using one, but I wanted to have the versatility to try these other, just like many different types of shapes. So, sorry for my creaky floorboards, but yeah, I got 2 of these just to have a little bit more versatility. This is one of my favorite purchases that I got, and it's a camping chair. I got this at the Eon supermarket, and it was only $10, and I thought it was such a good deal because it is a really good quality camping chair. It's compact, but it is a full size. Oh no! Actually, I think I accidentally grabbed the mini one. Oh, okay. Well, I was looking at this mini one too, so this is cute. This will do, but I thought I got the full size one. Huh. You guys witnessed on camera, I legit thought I bought the full size chair, but I guess I did not. Anywho, it is compact. That's good. The next thing I got from the outdoor goods store, actually, this kind of went out of order, but at the supermarket, I got this little foldable picnic mat solution. It also comes with these little hooks. So if it's a windy day, hook it down to the sand or the grass or dirt, wherever you're having your picnic at. I'm at the outdoor goods store, so sorry, I'm going out of order, but I got this compact little table, Logos Life Rolls End table. I try to just get items that would be versatile for both beach days and, again, day camp or solo camp situations. Okay, so this bar, you pull the bar towards the middle and lock it into the little screw that's here. Boom. Take out the little legs and then have this super cute mini table. So, accordion, fold it back, and then it goes into the little baggie. I don't know why this is so satisfying to me. Boom. It is like a chair and a table. Look how tiny and compact this is. Like, perfect for even day hikes, and then having a little sitting lunch setup on the top of a mountain. Like, these are really light and easy to carry. Okay, and then the last couple items are really small. First is a lunch bento case that is, I think, supposed to keep things insulated or a little bit more insulated rather than just having the bento by itself. So I want to eventually buy this same brand, their aluminum bento, but it was a little out of my budget for this month, so I just got the bag since I already have another aluminum bento from Muji. And then I got a to-go little chopstick set that is, yes, of course, Totoro. This is something I've been eyeing every time I go to Eon. I always look at this chopstick set, and it's under $10, so it's not that expensive, but I've refrained from purchasing it. But I decided to finally bite the bullet. Happy Golden Week little purchase. And so I'm just taking off the little sticker. But yeah, just cute little chopsticks, and then put them in this case. And then it says my neighbor Totoro here too. It's the details. Now I'm gonna just set up stuff for tomorrow. Maybe practice building out the tarp. And then make dinner, and yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow when I go to the beach. Okay, so I'm here at a beach park in Huga, and I just finished setting up this simple A-frame tarp. It actually took me like almost 40 minutes because it's my first time putting a tarp together, and I wanted to make a mini one, so it took me a while to kind of find the best way to fold in the tarp a bit so that I could do like a half size. So this is a 300 by 280 centimeter tarp, so it's quite large, so I wanted to make it a tiny bit smaller, so I used the REI tutorial to make just a basic A-frame, and now I'm gonna eat lunch. So I packed lunch, and I also got some snacks at the convenience. Here we go, here is my lunch.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 마 나는 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright This feels good, you and I think we got something special and I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Oh, right, this feels good, you and I think we got something special and I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you, alright
언제부터 시작한지 잘 몰라 baby 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아 baby 너의 말이 내일이 oh when the sun's up Maybe we'll make some memories It's all up to you Some say it's all a lie Maybe you got me hypnotized Cause they don't slow down We don't know where we are going I just need you right on my side On the ride, yeah
Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright